Hey guys, MakeupSy here. Welcome back to my channel. And yes, I know I have my eyes already done. I just wanted to split this video up. I didn't want it to be long, so I'm going to do my foundation, showing you guys the new foundation that I'm going to be using. It's by Covergirl. It is the Ambitions Matte Ambition collection, and it's the full spectrum, like a full coverage foundation, so a little goes a long way. I used to use well, I still do, this is everything, the Milani 2-in-1 concealer and foundation, and this is in the shade Chestnut. I'm just going to compare it to this. I'm not comparing them, I just want to see which foundation is mine. I just got 3 different shades. I didn't know which one would be my foundation color. We have here Deep Golden 1, Deep Golden 2, and Deep Natural or Neutral. Just from judging from the side, you guys can already about tell which one I may be my color, because I'm comparing it to this one. We're about to see. Let's try to mix Deep Golden and this together and let's see what we get. Okay, so we're gonna do a dab of that and a dab of ranch. And we're just gonna blend those. Let me see how those look together. Okay, this is really full coverage, by the way, so a little goes a long way. Let's see. This might be it. Girl. Okay. We got it. So to correspond with this foundation, I'm using the exact same brand, full spectrum Covergirl. This is the Matte Ambitions primer. So of course I love using the same primer as the foundation. So I'm gonna put this on, and it kind of reminds me of like the Milk and Magnesia when it dries down a little bit. Okay, so now that that is on, I'm gonna take my finger and get this off. Okay, may need a little bit more. Better. See, like when I did the tutorial the first time, honestly, it did not look like this. And then I was rushing too, so like I don't even remember me even doing 2 shades. I think I just did 1, and I felt like that was it. Like,
I don't need to mix because my skin is like even or whatever.
No, sis. And also, you just want to blend it out because you don't want to have it where you are like not blended evenly, because that can cause flashback as well. So keep that in mind. Make sure you blend out that foundation, sis. Do not blend it out. Now moving on to concealers, you guys already know I use Chestnut. We're doing a full coverage look today. Guys, I already know I don't do full coverage at all, but today it's different. contour sponge by Real Technique, and I'm just going to press it. I'm not baking, I'm just blending it. Gonna move on to contour, and I'm using my favorite Black Radiance contour. This is in the shade Black Coffee. Haven't used this in a while, so let this go. Ooh, look at that. Oh my god, look at that. Take my contour sponge once more and cut those cheeks. Shocka Locka. Now I got the new Morphe, it's not even new, I don't even know why I said that. Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, and I'm just gonna mist my face. I'm gonna take a little bit of this dewy because of course everything is matte, so I'm just gonna just a little bit of that and just spray it all, press it all in. Oh my god, this Morphe spray smells like how, you know how Hollister used to smell, or Abercrombie, when you used to go to Abercrombie, that's how it smells. Yes. What powder? Oh, I'm about to get ready and do my under eye really quick. I'm gonna take Caesar and put it underneath my eyes. Take Dark Purple by, this is by Ruby Kiss. I don't like the way that look. Why is it coming off like that? Patchy. We're not even gonna worry about that. I'm gonna take a little bit of this. This is by Ruby Kiss as well. This is in the shade Aren't You Jealous? thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. Yeah, the lighting is a little off because I had turned off the ceiling light and just kept my ring light on. But yeah, I'm obsessed because I never wear lipstick ever, rarely. If it is, it's got to be dark. It has to be. Yeah, this is a two-part video. So the first part, of course, will be the eyes, and the second part will be the face. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. As always, please feel free to hit that subscribe button before you guys leave. Don't forget to like and comment on this video, and comment more ideas and videos you guys like to see. Yes, follow me on Instagram at MakeupSy 2_. Hope to see you guys on the next video. Thanks again for watching. Bye.